Hi, everyone. Well, I thought I would bring you along with me while I decorate my coffee table in my family room. So what I did before I got on camera is I just put the holly and I intertwined some fairy lights from the Dollar Tree. And here is the snow globe that we made together from Dollar Tree products and a bottle brush Christmas tree from Auntie Cuckoo when she got me that big grab box from Michael's. Thanks, Val. This candle holder, that's from Bath and Body. And to that, I'm putting a plate on it because this hat that you're going to see that cost me $2.29 from Hobby Lobby, yes, it was 90% off. It was normally $29 last year. It needed something to rest on. And I didn't want it being just on the glass. I wanted it elevated a little bit because I like different heights. And to that, then we're going to add this white truck that I got from Hobby Lobby last year. And you know, this white truck reminds me of The Godfather. When they're walking down the street after watching The Bells of St. Mary and they find out that Vito has been shot. Why does my mind go into these things? But that is what it reminds me of. So I'm adding another bottle brush into the back. And I might decorate them or I might leave them the way they are. I'm not sure. So then I thought what I would do is probably go ahead and add these black candlesticks. And since my family room is going to be snowman, but with a Mackenzie child twist to it, I'm going to take this candle ring holder, and as you see, I'm going to put it on the candlestick, but I want to put the candle from Hobby Lobby first, and isn't this perfect for Mackenzie Child? So then I'll put the candle ring over it, because I want a lot of that green and red. I think that looks pretty together, and it's going to go perfect with my snowman and my snowman theme. And I think, yeah, we'll put it just about there. I always have to critique things, even if it's just a few inches, and I'm sure that a lot of you are just exactly like that. And you're going to be seeing a lot of snowman hats because not only did I buy some, I also made some that will be in this decor, but I have just really, really liked the snowman hats, just as much as the snowman. And then I thought this little sign, "There's no place like home," would go perfect in that little tray. And with that snowman that we made out of that jar and the candlestick is perfect. And then I got this at Hobby Lobby. Christmas is all about Jesus. And look, Mackenzie Child again. I love it. Goes perfect. Another hat. And I thought, do I want this hat on there? But then I remembered I had another snowman hat that had more of the colors of Mackenzie Child. There you go, with that really lime green, because she's really known for that lime green with her black. I really, really like that. So we'll put that hat in another area. So I'm just going to put the other candlestick, I think, right here, because not always do I use both candles, but I did want these here this time. But I think they're so pretty. And you can put all different candle rings for different holidays. I really like these. Again, those candles are from Hobby Lobby. Okay. So I think that's going to look pretty good. What do you think? I like it. It all goes together. I love the holly. I'm in love with that big snowman hat. That was crazy to get that for $2.90. I never would have spent $29, but I'm really pleased with the way it looks. I want to thank you so much for coming along and decorating my coffee table with me. I think we should do this again. What do you think? Guys, until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world nobody else can. Talk to you soon. Bye.